Athens is one of those cities that feels like walking through the pages of a living history book. Every corner you turn, every stone beneath your feet carries the weight of thousands of years of human civilization. This is a city where ancient temples share the skyline with bustling cafes, where mythology feels tangible, and where the energy of modern life pulses alongside ruins that have stood for over 2,000 years. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a food lover, or simply someone chasing beauty, Athens delivers on every front. So let us take you through the best places to visit in this extraordinary city that has shaped the world as we know it. No visit to Athens is complete without standing atop the Acropolis. Perched high above the city, this ancient citadel is home to some of the most iconic structures ever built by human hands. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, dominates the hilltop with its towering Doric columns and breathtaking scale. Even in its partially ruined state, it commands absolute awe. The best time to visit is early morning, just after opening, when the crowds are thinner and the golden light of sunrise bathes the marble in a warm, almost magical glow. Alongside the Parthenon, you will find the Erechtheion, with its famous porch of the Caryatids, where 6 sculpted female figures serve as architectural columns. The views from the top stretch across the entire city all the way to the Aegean Sea on clear days, making the climb absolutely worth every step. Just a short walk from the base of the Acropolis Hill sits one of the finest museums in all of Europe. The Acropolis Museum opened in 2009 and was designed specifically to house the artifacts recovered from the Acropolis and its surrounding slopes. The building itself is a masterpiece of modern architecture, with glass floors that allow visitors to look down at ongoing archaeological excavations beneath their feet. Inside, you will find original sculptures, friezes, and artifacts that tell the story of ancient Athenian life in stunning detail. The top floor houses the Parthenon Gallery, where a reconstruction of the temple's frieze wraps around the entire room, giving visitors a sense of its original grandeur. This museum is not just a complement to visiting the Acropolis, it is an experience entirely on its own. After absorbing so much ancient history, the neighborhoods of Monastiraki and Plaka offer a wonderful contrast that brings the city's vibrant present into focus. Monastiraki is famous for its flea market, where vendors sell everything from antique coins and vintage clothing to handmade jewelry and local spices. The energy here is electric, especially on Sunday mornings when the market is at its most lively. Just steps away, the Plaka neighborhood winds through narrow cobblestone streets lined with neoclassical buildings, bougainvillea-draped balconies, and charming tavernas. This is the oldest continuously inhabited neighborhood in Athens, and it carries that history with grace and warmth. Grab a table at one of the outdoor restaurants, order some fresh tzatziki and grilled octopus, and simply soak in the atmosphere. For those who want a different perspective on the city, Lycabettus Hill rises to nearly 300 meters above sea level and offers a panoramic view that is simply unmatched. You can hike up through pine-scented paths or take the funicular railway to the top, where a small white chapel of St. George sits against the open sky. At sunset, the entire city turns shades of amber and rose, and the Acropolis glows in the distance like something out of a dream. On your way back down, make time to visit the Temple of Olympian Zeus, a colossal structure that once boasted 104 massive columns, though only 15 remain standing today. These towering remnants give a powerful sense of just how ambitious ancient Athenian architecture truly was. Athens rewards every traveler who takes the time to look closely, listen carefully, and simply let the city reveal itself at its own magnificent pace.